Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Today I'm going to be showing you me and Nathaniel moving into our first house. So we've been together almost 6 years and we're finally moving out. Right now I'm in our new lounge and I can't wait to show you us moving in. I was getting all our new furniture. It's really exciting and I hope you enjoy it. So we're moving tomorrow. This is my room at the moment. It does look like a massive mess, but everything is completely empty. The showers are empty. Bedside table's empty, and the chest of drawers are empty. Got the bathroom, got the scales out because that's Slimming World tomorrow. And my cover down here is empty as well. Just left some shampoo in there because there's going to be another spare room again. Oops, sort out the light, there we go. A few essentials. And that's the room. And then, oh, I've also got my wardrobe here. This is quite dark, but I've got my shoe rack, which is basically empty. Now we've got to pack the car. In the rain. So it's 2 o'clock now and I'm shattered watching TV, as you can see. I'm going to turn that off. Okay, so this is where we got so far. So taking the mattress off. So I popped it up here. Me and my dad are going to dismantle the bed frame. Got my rug here. And unfortunately for my mum, I have spread out into the spare room. My vanity there. And into the other spare room. So yeah, I'm pretty spread out. But 2 of the cars are completely packed and full. And yeah, the main thing really is just sort of the bed, because that's the first thing we want to put up when we move in tomorrow. But yeah, and I'll keep you guys updated. But no, I'm feeling pretty happy, pretty tired, very hot and gross. Yeah, as soon as this is done, I'm gonna have a shower. But I will see you guys later. Bye. So this is what we're having tonight, the last meal before we move. Here's the table all set up. Got a nice bit of gin. I think Mum's got rose lemonade, elderflower. There you go, Dad's topping it up. Sorry about the lighting, we've got big windows behind us and it's just going crazy. What's the chicken one again?
Sorry?
What is the juice again?
It's lemon, garlic, thyme, prosciutto and butter all mixed together. What do you call it's in the oven? The crumbles in the oven. Right, we're ready.
No, everyone's in the lounge. It's our final meal. Mum, it's our last meal living here. I'm going to turn the TV off.
Here.
Da, 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 da. Alexa, play Feel Good music.
Shuffling Feel Good Friday from Spotify.
So it's 9 o'clock. We've just finished dinner. And this is how my room is looking. Got a really busy day tomorrow. Most of the cars are packed. Show you out the window because, you know, it's still a bit gross outside. So my dad's car's packed, my granddad's car, my car and Nathaniel's. So yeah, they're all completely full. And we still have this stuff. And then also in the garage we've got the fridge, we've got our study table, like a study desk thing. And we've also got, you know, I can't remember what, we just got loads of random stuff still left, to be honest. But yes, I'm excited for tomorrow. It's going to be a really busy day. So we're driving to the new house now. My car is completely packed. My mum's just in front of me. And yeah, we've got our keys and I'm so excited. It's going to be a lot of heavy lifting. A lot of heavy lifting. But no, it should be good. My mum's a bit confused. She just slowed down. I'm just like, I'm nervous but excited, and I'm mostly worried about storage because it doesn't have a lot of built-in storage. It literally has 2 little cupboards, one with rails and one with 3 shelves, and that's it. So every other bit of storage is our own. But other than that, I'm feeling pretty confident. We don't have our sofa or our chairs yet, they're arriving tomorrow. But yeah, so we'll be sofa-less and chairless, which is why we're going to have dinner at my parents' tonight. So we won't be having our first night having a meal. I don't even know where I'm going, I'm lost. Like, literally. So we're moving about 10 minutes away from my parents, which really isn't very far. Maybe not even 10, maybe 5 minutes. I feel like my mum's turned on the wrong street. I don't know what's happening. I'm lost. I wasn't paying attention. I was too busy trying to talk. I'm just going to follow her and I think she'll work it out. So we live in a one-way street, but we've gone the wrong way. So I think we're going to come back out and then go back up, if that makes sense. We've got loads of stuff to unpack. So my mum's car, my car, Nathaniel's already been around the house while I was at Slimming World. So his car's already unpacked, which is nice. My granddad's going to come round once we empty these 2 cars, because I've got loads of stuff in his. And then Nathaniel's gone to get his friend's van. So we're just trying to park now. Nathaniel just called me because he's ordered something for my birthday to the house. So even though we're not even moved in yet, I've got to try and be here for the delivery, which is great. I can't see the back of my car. I'm trying to parallel park, which never goes well, does it? But I'm here, so yeah. Next thing you'll see, I'll be opening the door with my new key. This is historic. Okay, Betty Boop key. I don't know why it's Betty Boop key, but it is. Okay. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Ta-da! I forgot they had a mirror.
No, that's good. Nathaniel's coat's hung up already.
Is it? Bless
Well,
him.
more than one.
And then we got our little
Put a
storage.
fourth one up.
Some storage there. Oh, this is so exciting. You happy, Mum?
Yes, very. It's very nice.
Look at the
Oh,
lounge.
loads of letters for you.
Probably all bills. This is so cute. Oh yeah, right, his coats are hung up already. All his coats. It's the middle of summer. Let's have a look upstairs. This is unfurnished. We've got loads of blinds. First cupboard. The bedroom. So exciting.
Oh God, they're hideous.
What are?
Curtains.
Well, you know, this is the very blue room. The blue room. I don't know why they made it in blue. Already?
Yeah.
Hi!
The key, is it?
Yes, correct.
Them off. You'd have to replace them afterwards.
Let's unpack.
Right, you do yours, I'll do mine.
That's Nathaniel's for air suitcase. But yeah, so next you see all the stuff should be in the house. Okay, so the car's completely unpacked now. We're just going back to the house. We're going to grab Gran and Granddad,
280
bring their
yards,
car up with
turn
them
left onto
because
Duke's
Granddad's got
Road.
an estate car. So like we put so much in it. Like I rammed everything big, you know. So I've got, what have I got in there? I've
Turn
got the
left onto
rug,
Duke's
I've
Road.
got, I don't even know, the TV unit. There's loads of stuff in there. So that's what we're going to go grab next and grab them too. I think this one will feel helpful, which they always are, to be honest. They're brilliant. But yeah, so what I've done is I put my main suitcase upstairs
Use the
and
roundabout
my
to make a
clothes like
U-turn.
rail. And then like, so Gran, if she wants to, because I know she'll want to do something, she can put like the clothes on the hangers and put them up. And that way it's not too strenuous, but it's still really helpful because it's something that is time consuming and we do need to do. But I think when you unpack, clothes is kind of like the last thing you normally deal with. But that'd be really helpful. And then yeah, Granddad's probably going to help me just take stuff out of boxes, you know, set up the kitchen. Nathaniel should be back by then with the van, so I'll help him load everything in the van. because my mirrored like bedside table and chest of drawers from Next are just so heavy. So we're gonna need like 3 of us to do it, because we had the 3 men do it yesterday. My dad, my brother and Nathaniel. My brother's 6'5"
Use
and
the
big,
roundabout to make a U-turn.
and he like struggled, and you know, if he struggles, everyone's gonna struggle. And there we are. So last car, and then it's just the van. So I'll see you guys later. First morning. Pancakes, bacon, syrup. It's gonna be good. So here's our first meal, which is our breakfast on our new Next plate. It's got the marble effect. Petrol at Asda, then our first shop. So as you saw, we got our DFS delivery, and now we've got our Next delivery coming. So that's our new chairs, and here's our sofas all set up. My mum bought us some flowers, got the rug out, we got our new table out, and yeah, but the chairs are my favourite bit. I'm literally so excited. Sorry. I'll open this one up, don't you worry.
Wait, what?
Oh my god, it's so nice. I literally love these pink ones so much, and it would be nice not to use that, like the stripy chair. We could just have that in the garden or something. So Nathaniel's just trying to open the other box that they delivered. We're not really sure what it is, because the other chairs we ordered weren't meant to come for another like 2 or 3 weeks because they were out of stock. But maybe. Oh my god, there's other left ones. I'm not gonna lie, I've been standing here thinking, I bet you those doing the wrong thing by accident. Aww. Okay, I'll take it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. So it is like day 2 now. We are pretty much all unpacked. We need like a few extra furnishings and that, which we will be showing you. But in 4 days' time, we're going to Hong Kong and then a Japanese cruise with my whole family and obviously Nathaniel. So I'll probably show you that first, and then we'll come back and we'll finish the house.